Good evening guys and welcome back to another video. This video is slightly different because we're going to be talking mini motos. I've said about it in the past, but I've never really filmed anything significant or edited anything up for the channel, but I think I'm going to post this up. One, because my friends want to see it, but two, I think it'd be quite funny for you guys to watch, and if you guys like the content I can video a little bit more when I go, sort of from now on. I'm going to be showing you a little bit of content from Friday night, which is about 3 nights ago now, and I'm going to be posting this video out hopefully Wednesday, maybe even at the weekend, depending on how fast I can edit it up. But if you have never seen a mini moto before, this is the size in comparison. If I stand up, it's a bit ridiculous in sort of, in height difference, but I can just about squat down and get my legs out, which you'll see from the riding, anywhere from adults to kids all ride them. Obviously they fit kids perfectly, so as soon as kids start getting fast on them, then min. But yeah, it's all good fun, so I'm going to show you different clips of how it happened, a few crashes, a few slips off, generally a bit of racing and avoiding people, etc, etc. First of all, I'm just going to show you guys the track, and we'll have a little bit of a chat through the way as the video goes on about the difference points and different clips. So yeah, have a look. He wears number 43, I think he's got it on his hoodie in this as well. He normally wears red and black leathers, but he's really fast. I'm pretty sure his dad works there, but he does ride there quite often, so he knows the track inside out, and I'm pretty sure he does racing all over the UK as well, so he is pretty min on the bike. You'll see him fly past me and sort of show me up a little bit, which makes me try it. Maybe a bit too hard to keep up. Ah. Oh fuck, that was hot. Obviously when you're racing hard, getting competitive, especially with your friends there as well, sometimes you do push yourselves a little bit too hard, dive down the middle, dive down the outside, slip off here, slip off there, but sometimes you can crash a little bit better. So this first one I'm going to show you is Jack, my friend. He overtakes me, I'm pretty sure it's on the trait, and then when he gets to the corner he squeezes his back brake too hard, the back end slips out, and that's never fun. So let's have a quick look at that. And why not? Let's watch it again. Let's put it in slow motion. Alright, now we can watch me crash. I'm pushing hard as well. Obviously on mine, it was pretty much I was trying to get a different angle on the corner, have a different sort of a racing line to see if I can get Jack first, but that didn't pay off, as you could see from me going straight into the tyre and having a little roll around. But yeah, it's alright, it's good fun, it is good fun, but yes, it definitely makes you work for it, it actually makes you push harder, and when you get off the bike at the end, oh, it's because you've been in that position, especially if you're quite tall. I'm 6'2", Jack's a little bit taller than me, but yeah, it just aches when you get back up, but it's all great fun. So yeah, I'm just going to finish this video with a sort of general little bit of riding. If you have enjoyed this video, like I said, it is a little bit something sort of different from my channel point of view. If you haven't enjoyed it, obviously like, comment, and give us a sub if you're new. But cheers, see you next time. Oh. There we go. Lost my voice from so much shouting.